Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm here to walk you through the first year application process or how to use the Common App. Firstly, start by selecting the Create an Account button on the website of Common. Select first year student if you're applying for college at the first time, and fill in your details to create your account. Now, use the College Search tab to find and add colleges to your list. You can search by name, location, or use filters. For example, to add Howard University, type the name and click the plus icon to add it to your list. The information you provide here will be sent to all colleges you apply to, so you only need to fill it once. If you qualify for a fee waiver based on listed criteria, select Yes. This will waive application fees for eligible colleges. Some colleges require a personal essay. There are 7 prompts to choose from. You can submit an essay even if it's not required by a specific college. On the dashboard shows all the colleges you've added, their application statuses, and deadlines. To see deadlines, you need to select a term and admission plan for each college. This section has specific questions for each college, which may vary. Before inviting your recommenders, you'll need to complete the FERPA release authorization, which allows you to share your information with colleges. Decide whether you waive your rights to review recommendations submitted on your behalf. In the My Colleges tab, review your entire application, make any necessary edits, and if applicable, pay the fee or skip it if you have a fee waiver. After paying, sign and date your application to officially submit it. If you need assistance, Common App's support team is available 24/7 at commonapp.org/help. Now, you're ready to start your college application process with Common App. Good luck, you've got this. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.